Hello, this is the second video on how to create a template in Word for MLA format. Let's go ahead and share my screen. And we can go ahead and put that document we created in video 1 into the trash can. And we're going to open Word. Go to More Templates. Click Personal and open our MLA template. We want to make some changes to the template so it's in MLA format. So to make those permanent changes, we click the small right arrow button at the bottom here. First changes are font. The font has to be easy to read. So make sure your font is Times New Roman, it's regular font style and size 12. Once you've done that, click Set as Default. It will ask you, do you want to set it for this document or all documents on the MLA template? Click All Documents. It will disappear. Next, you want to set your paragraph. The first thing we're going to set is indentation and spacing. We want to make sure that spacing is double. Make sure this is set to double and click Set as Default. Again, make it for all documents based on the template. Then open paragraph settings again, and you'll see it's changed to double. Now we want to set our indentation, so we click Tabs. The default tab stop on mine says 3.5. I want to make my default tab stop 1.27. So I type 1.27 and press Enter. The menu disappears. So let's check it worked. Open again, click Tabs. And now it's been set to 1.27. The next thing that we want to do is make sure that our line spacing is double. That's right. Let's check line and page breaks. There's nothing to change. So everything we've changed here. So let's go ahead and change something else. By default, Word opens to Home button, but we want to change to Layout. On the Layout button, we want to change our margins. So click the bottom right button again. And on this, we click the Margins tab. Make sure your margins are set to 2.54 centimeters. Type in 2.54 centimeters for top, bottom, left, and right. And then click Set as Default. Click Yes. And now your margins have been set in the MLA style. Right, let's check that menu again. Is there anything else we need to change? Yes, there is. Click on the Paper tab. Now, the paper size is usually set to A4. We want to set that to letter size. Letter size is 21.59 centimeters or 215.9 millimeters. So make sure you have these numbers. And again, set as default. Yes, and then the menu closes. Now we've set up our document in basic MLA style. In the third video, I'll show you how to lay out a basic essay paper for this course. Go ahead and close your document. It will ask you, do you want to save it? I don't need to save this because I haven't written anything, so don't save it. And it then says, save your changes to this file. Don't save that. Want to save your changes to MLA template? Yes, very important. Click Save. This will now change the template. And there we go. End of the second video. You've now made a basic template for your Word documents. So the next time you want to create a document for your writing using MLA format, open Word, go to More Templates, go to Personal, and click your template. And now you have your MLA template that you can go ahead and write on. All the settings are for MLA, Times New Roman, size 12, double spacing. Oh, our tabs changed back. So we need to make sure that's 1.27 again. And click OK. Sometimes if it doesn't change, then you want to go back and check it. And it's OK. So I'm going to, this time, make sure set as default on the first tab. And again, when we save, make sure to save any changes you make to the template. Right, so that's it. Notice at the top, it says document 1. We're ready to create a document using the basics of MLA formatting. That's all for this video. The third video, we'll talk about important points about how to set up your paper and submit it online.